This Halloween, your car can be more than just a ride, it can become part of the celebration. From driveways to trunk or treat events, decorating your car adds a unique twist to the season's spirit. With the right imagination, even an everyday vehicle can transform into a moving masterpiece of spooky fun and creativity. Today, we'll break it all down into 3 simple steps: setting the base, adding creative details, and bringing the whole display to life. Whether it's for a neighborhood event or just for fun at home, these ideas make your car a showstopper this Halloween. Start by preparing your car as your blank canvas. Choose how bold or subtle you want your theme to be. This is your foundation. The setup should reflect your style and the kind of Halloween energy you want to share, whether it's mysterious, playful, or simply eye-catching. Think about the main focus point. Whether it's the front, the trunk, or the entire car, arrange your elements so they stand out from every angle. Planning ahead helps your setup look intentional and complete. What kind of Halloween car would you create? Creepy, cute, or completely over the top? Tell us your favorite theme idea in the comments below. Now it's time to bring personality to your car. Add details that make your design pop: layers, color, and texture that reflect the Halloween vibe. The little touches are what turn a simple setup into something unforgettable. Combine movement, color, and lighting to create a dynamic look. Don't be afraid to mix different materials or unexpected designs. This is where your imagination can really shine. If these Halloween car decoration ideas gave you spooky inspiration, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love celebrating Halloween everywhere they go. The last step is all about atmosphere. Lighting, sound, and movement bring your car decoration to life, especially when the sun goes down. The glow, shadows, and motion create that perfect Halloween mood everyone will notice. Stand back and take in the full view. The goal is a design that's fun, creative, and full of Halloween energy, something that turns your everyday car into a moving celebration of the season. And that's it, your Halloween car transformation is complete. With just a few creative steps, you've turned your ride into a festive showcase that's sure to grab attention. It's all about expression, imagination, and celebrating the fun side of Halloween. For more creative Halloween ideas, DIY decorations, and festive inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for more spooky fun. So this Halloween, take your creativity on the road. Have fun designing, decorating, and driving into the season of spook and sparkle. Happy haunting, and happy cruising!